How to generate sales from Monday.com. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Start by creating a CRM. Board in Monday.com. Use the CRM, template available or build your own, including columns like lead name, status, deal size, contact info, and follow-up date. 2. Use the Automation Center to set reminders for follow-ups, status changes, or when deals go cold. These automations help you stay on top of your pipeline without missing a beat. 3. Connect your email or Gmail to Monday.com using integrations. This allows communication to happen directly from the platform, so every email is tracked within the leads item. 4. Add your team and assign leads to them. Use the People column to delegate tasks or accounts, helping your team stay accountable for their part of the sales process. 5. Set up dashboards with widgets like Sales by Rep, Deals Closed This Month, or Pipeline Health to visualize progress and make real-time decisions. 6. Use Forms in Monday.com to collect leads from your website or landing pages. Submissions will appear automatically as new items in your CRM board. 7. Analyze your data and adjust strategies. Use filters and views to identify bottlenecks or top-performing reps, and use that insight to improve conversions and sales volume.